Merienda tayo guys. Fishball, banana cue, at saka kamuting kahoy, itlog, pork stick, at saka kanin. Fishball, banana cue, at saka kamuting kahoy nga ginlin-lin, at saka itlog, pork stick, kanin. Thank you guys. See you next vlog.